biggest hits from 1985, which, by the way, was very much Cold War days. And this is a song that rings through very much at the moment. Everybody wants to rule the world. And CitySound voices with Everybody Wants to Rule the World. And it's a little bit ironic, but there was an original title for that song, which was Everybody Wants to Go to War. I think I prefer Everybody Wants to Rule the World. Oh, a little earlier, when I welcomed you, I said, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I've been sitting here looking in the audience, and I am terribly sorry that I didn't also say boys and girls, but you're equally welcome as well. We're going to take a break of about 20 minutes. You can relax, hopefully go upstairs and buy yourself a drink. And if you've got a moment, do have a look at the Dorothy House Hospice table and have a chat with some of the staff who do an incredible job. You go and enjoy yourselves, choir and lads, go and relax.